Hi everyone, this is Bryn. I've been using the GoPro tripod adapter for almost as long as I've had a GoPro camera. It was the very first accessory that I bought after I got the GoPro HERO. Since then I've bought quite a few of these to mount my GoPro cameras directly to tripods, monopods, pistol grips, etc. I've also said right from the beginning that the tripod mount should have had a quick connect instead of a thumb screw connection. Years ago I even made my own quick connect tripod mount by counter screwing an adhesive mount directly onto a spare tripod plate. Since then I've tried other things as they've become available, such as the aluminium mount and the base mount from promount.com. But recently GoPro released a new quick release tripod mount, and I think this is the mount that I've been waiting for. In my opinion, the quick release is the most convenient way to move your GoPro camera from one mount to another. You can also swap backwards and forwards pretty quickly from mounts that include a quick release, such as the vented helmet strap, the chesty mount, or anything else with a quick release. The new mount has 2 thread holes underneath. You can use either, and it also allows for tripod plates that have a locking pin, such as this one. You can fit the tripod mount to any tripod that uses a standard 1/4 inch 20 thread. And you can use it with either the standard quick release buckle or the larger J-hook buckle. At the moment, if you buy a new bag of tripod mounts, it actually comes with an original tripod adapter in there as well. I don't think there's much else to say except why not grab a new quick release tripod mount for your GoPro HERO Gear Kit today. This is Bryn. Thanks for watching.